Hi, in this video I'm going to be showing you a foam rolling sort of relaxation of the lats. Now when we do the foam roller for the lats, we are going to lie on our side and focus on underneath the armpits or just below the armpits. You might have to change the angle of the foam roller depending on how comfortable it is for you. We lie down on the foam roller, and as you can see, there's my armpit, it's just below there. And all we're gonna do is roll through the lats, utilizing sort of the weight that you can apply onto the foam roller. What I want you to do is to make it understanding, if you find any tight areas, you want to be stopping and then literally looking to move your arm to help with the overhead movement that the lats assist on. So when you're in that position, you can start to move the arm if there's any tight areas that you're doing on the lats. Give that a go, and if you have any questions, please feel free to drop me a DM at any time.